What's up, YouTube? If you're looking to speed up your video editing workflow, you came to the right place. Today we're going to show you 5 CapCut tips that you can use to edit videos faster and produce more content. Let's get started. The first tip is that you need to know your keyboard shortcuts. Instead of clicking around for different editing tools, you can just tap keys on your keyboard to speed up the process. For example, to split a clip, I can just tap Command B on my keyboard. To delete the left side of the clip, I can tap Q, and to delete the right side, I can tap W. I can also scan through frames by using the arrow keys, and adjust the volume by holding Command period or Command comma. Click the Shortcuts button in the top right corner to view all of the keyboard shortcuts. As you start utilizing these, your editing workflow will speed up massively over time. And you can also set your own custom shortcuts by clicking, typing in a specific key, and pressing save. The next tip is to use adjustment layers when you want to color correct multiple clips at once. For example, I have 3 different clips on my timeline here, and I want to apply the same look to all 3 clips at once. I can click Adjustment at the top and drag down a custom adjustment layer. Then, I'll stretch the length to match the clips below it. Now when I make my color adjustments, you'll notice that the same look is applied to all the clips under the adjustment layer. This saves you tons of time because you won't have to apply the same settings to each individual clip. The third tip is to use CapCut's built-in auto caption feature. I've noticed that many editors are still using separate programs to generate captions, but you can do this directly in CapCut to save time, and it works great. All you have to do is click the text tab at the top, then select Auto Captions, choose your language, and click Create. After a few seconds, your generated captions will be located on your timeline, and you can make various adjustments to the font style, the animations, the timing, and more. We have a full video tutorial on this feature if you want to take a deeper look. The next tip is to use CapCut's library of stock videos, music, and sound effects. Now I'm sure most of us are used to going to external websites like Pexels or Pixabay to find free stock assets. But if you click on Import and select Stock Materials, you can actually find a great selection of stock video backgrounds and textures to use directly in CapCut. You can also click on the Audio tab to find stock music and sound effects to use as well. This will definitely save you time from using other stock websites while you're editing, and it can also be useful as a secondary library if you can't find the stock assets you're looking for from another resource. Also, this stock content is royalty-free, but you can always run a copyright check in CapCut just to make sure that you won't face any copyright issues. The last tip is to make use of CapCut's templates. These are extremely helpful if you're a beginner editor and you're looking for a quick way to create a professional, high-quality video. You can just drag a template down to your timeline and replace it with your own video clips and add in your own text. They have a bunch of different templates for both horizontal and vertical videos, and they continue to update the library frequently. If you find yourself using the same template for several different videos, you can hover your mouse over it and click on the star to add it to your favorites. Now, when you go back into your templates, just click on the Favorites tab to see all of your favorite templates. This will save you a bunch of time and speed up your editing workflow. Well, that's all for today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.